Okay, my beautiful people. Yes, it is spring has started in the UK at the moment. The weather is not too bad. And, the sunshine is out a little bit, as you guys can see. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see the sunshine is not too bad at the moment. It's beautiful. But let's have a look in Jamaica. The weather in Jamaica is much more beautiful, more nicer, but good vibes. We have to just accept what we have here at the moment. I got some things coming up soon, which I'll give you guys a little bit of an update on what's going on. And I normally don't do video every day on the Chef Ricardo blog YouTube. I mostly concentrate on my main YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking, but I'm taking time building this in the back end at the moment. Just a little bit of blogging. And yeah, keep you guys updated with things. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are, having a wonderful time. Yeah, it's a good look. Lots of things is happening all over the world. But at the end of the day, we are here and we just need to be grateful and be giving God thanks. Good vibes. Leave your comments. Tell me what you guys think, man. And I'm out and I will see you in the next one. Little bit of update.